Good afternoon. Welcome to Daily Currency Update from the Currency Desk. Yesterday, in the first trading session earlier, we saw the Indian rupee open stronger as compared to the US dollar. This strength was mainly being related to the fact that we had a strong opening for the domestic equity markets. We saw both the Nifty and the Sensex rally by near about 2.5% intraday. But yes, later in the day, what put pressure on the Indian rupee and covered all the day gains was the fact that we had negative data from the European front, which caused the US dollar to strengthen across all the global forex majors, and this relative strength in the US dollar was indicated by the fact that the US dollar index was trading at a 9-month high of around 84 levels. This caused the Indian rupee to weaken against the US dollar intraday. Overall, at the end of the day, due to these two factors, we had a flat closing for the Indian rupee. Today in the morning session, we had relative weakness in the US dollar against the Indian rupee, mainly because of the bad industrial production data and the lower than expected Empire State Manufacturing Index shown by the US economy overnight. Due to these factors, we saw the Indian rupee open stronger. What also supported the Indian rupee was the fact that we had the gold and the crude oil prices coming down in the international markets, and these two being the major components of imports, they are expected to have a huge say on the current account deficit. Currently, we expect the US dollar to remain weak against the Indian rupee intraday. Overall, in the long run, it would be a wait and watch, as the markets are expecting another rate cut by the RBI based on the relative easing in the inflation data. Currently, we see the US dollar coming down from the crucial resistance of 55.20 levels. One can initiate a short around those levels in the spot market. Coming to euro, the euro remained weak for the entire day yesterday. First of all, we had a weaker than expected GDP data from the European front, which suggested that the current recession in the euro is expected to deepen and get worse in the near term. What added to the pressure was the fact that the only better performing economy, that is of Germany, also showed a lackluster GDP data, which was much lower than expected. Later in the day, as we had weak data from the US front, we could not see the euro covering its losses despite the relative weakness of the US dollar, and all in all the euro remained weak below 1.3 levels against the US dollar. Against Indian rupee, we continue to have a downside view, and we believe that the current downtrend would extend up till the level of 69.70 in the spot levels. Coming to pound, the pound posted losses earlier in the day but recovered mainly because of the positive inflation data, which showed that the inflation had relatively eased as compared to the previous months. Also, the inflation outlook for the future was also much better. We had a statement from BOE Governor Mervyn King giving a better than expected outlook for the UK economy. This added to some support for the pound, as we saw the pound rally against the Indian rupee as well and the US dollar. Later in the day, what again supported the pound was the fact that we had negative data from the US front in terms of Empire State Manufacturing Index and the industrial production data, and based on this we saw the pound strengthen further. We expect the pound to remain strong against the Indian rupee in the near term, and the current rally could extend up till 84.65 levels. That is in the spot market. Coming to Japanese yen, the Japanese yen is trading higher today. The two major reasons for the same is the relative weakness of the US dollar because of the negative or the lower than expected data shown by the US economy overnight. Today in the morning session early, we had the GDP data from the Japanese front, which came in much better than expected. The expectations was around 2.7% of GDP growth, and the actual figures came in much better at 3.5%. This shows that the actual strategy of yen devaluation used by the current Prime Minister Abe is quite successful, and we could expect further positive outlook in the future. Based on such statistics, we expect the Japanese yen to strengthen against the US dollar, as the recent rally was not based on any major fundamental news or any major fundamental trigger or change in fundamentals. So we could expect the yen recover against the US dollar and against the Indian rupee as well. Against the Indian rupee, we expect the yen to strengthen up till 55 levels in the spot market. Thank you.